Hi, in this video we are going to show how to read data from the Hopsworks Feature Store into a Spark Dataframe on Databricks. For this video I've created a feature store with a single feature group called churn, in which I have ingested two commits of data, so one initial insert and one additional upsert of data. So now we're going to connect to this project containing this feature store, and we're getting a feature store handle in order to perform operations on this feature store. In order to read the feature group, we first need to get its metadata. We do this by simply calling getFeatureGroup on the feature store object. Now that we have this metadata handle object, we can simply call read to get a data frame and show it subsequently. The API to the feature store is very rich and also supports filters and joins, for example. These filters and joins produce so-called Hopsworks queries, which can then later be used to create reproducible training data sets. So as you can see, if I filter on churn equals 1, I only get the contracts which have already churned before. So far, we've been reading the data from the feature group as it is at this point in time, but we can also perform time travel queries on this feature group since we time travel enabled it. To see how the data was ingested, we can look at the commit details and we see the two commits that have been performed. And to get the data as of a previous commit, we can simply use the timestamp from a previous commit and call as of on a query of this feature group. So we select all features from this feature group and subsequently read the query as of the certain timestamp and call show again to see the data frame. And as you can see, the initial ingestion only contains the initial contracts with no contracts churned so far. We can also read the data from the online storage, which only contains the latest version of the data, by calling read with an additional flag for online true. As you can see, this gives us the latest view of the data. This is all for this video. If you have more questions, please head over to our documentation at docs.hopsworks.ai or our community page on community.hopsworks.ai. Thank you.